Subject of today's video are these spiffy new Hostile Reapers with some Venom Terra Hunter ATs. They are 22x12s with a 33 12.5 tire. And while the 01 Ram 2500 they are going on is still on jacks, getting the necessary items to clear these tires, we are going to get them ceramic coated. I said the wrong size apparently. These are 20x12s with 33 12.5 20 tires. And we are ceramic coating them because if you don't do that to your brand new wheels, you're kind of an idiot. We will be... Sorry. What? Seems pretty easy? It's because it is. Yep, we are going to be using, as we always have, the Avalon King Armor Shield. That is our coating, applicator pad, little applicator microfiber thingy. Got your gloves to wear, and the microfiber to buff it off. Now, you also have to make sure that your wheels are obviously completely cleaned. Go over them with some sort of degreaser or whatnot. Rubbing alcohol is your very last step to make sure that everything sticks just as it should. And then for weather conditions, you don't want to do this when it's super hot or super cold. Pretty mid-temperature day, right about 70. And you never ever want to do it, regardless of the temperature, in direct sunlight. We conveniently have a completely overcast day today. So here in the garage, we got plenty of light and warmth, but it is not in the direct sunlight. And don't let his big, heavy jacket fool you there. I'm in a t-shirt and, well, if you see it, shorts over here. Colorado has actually graced us with, it's going to be 69 whole degrees today. And then tomorrow it's going to be 70 and sunny. Given the about 70 degree temperature that it is, this stuff shouldn't take any more than 2 or 3 minutes before it gives us the rainbowy effect. Like, have you ever seen antifreeze mixed in with water on the ground? It turns that rainbowy color. That's what we're going to be looking for on the finish here. That tells us that it is cured up enough, ready to be wiped off. The camera won't pick it up, but you can see in person when you're applying the, oh, you can see it there. Extra glossy, and then it looks a little bit grayer over here. It'll make it, besides protecting the wheel, it will also completely enhance the finish. Alright, let's see if I can get, oh, there it is. You see how it's kind of turning a rainbowy finish there? That means that it is now time to wipe off the lip of the wheel here, and then move on to another section. Alright, I don't know if we'll be able to catch it when he wipes it here, but... oh, yep, you can kind of see. Still rainbowy up there, but not rainbowy down there in the reflections. I'll just give it a good buff off, and then we will move on to the face of the wheel.
You guys aren't done yet?
You're done with...
no parts, I can't do nothing.
Done with what? That's a fairly vague statement. As if we don't start new nonsense around here every day of the week. Oh, you can really see it there. The smaller section is really rainbowing up quick. You don't want to leave it on too long after it rainbows up as well. Otherwise it will be too hard. Not too hard. It'll be more difficult to get off. Nice. That was like a solid example of the rainbow effect. That's about as good as we're going to get for this video. Now, each wheel, you're going to go about it a little bit different way. This particular one, we did the barrel and then the outside lip. And now he is going after the flat front face there. And then once that is wiped off, he's going to go at it with just the glove and a little applicator thing around his finger to get the inside of all the windows and all the little machine parts. And there you can see we are getting the rainbow effect on the front face as well. So now it is time to wipe that part off. Well, I'm going to leave you to sit here and detail out all your windows. Then start on the back side. And then he's got 3 more still to do. And I'll come back and check in a bit. I go edit my video of all my cool lights that are now ruined and they haven't seen either event yet. And there's hubcaps too. Those will probably get a coating as well while we're at it. Well, he's at it. I'm just sitting here videoing. Alright, these clips are now going to be a little out of order. We just had quite the rainstorm, so the wheels are already good and trashed with dirt. However, that gives us a good opportunity to give them a cleaning real quick and show you how easy the ceramic coat makes it. Then we'll do the fun slow-mo water trick that everybody likes to do once they got something ceramic coated. The hose only reaches to there unless we move vehicles, so it's a cleaning with indirect pressure as well. Okay, so he turned it on to turn the wheel like this so we could hit this inside lip, and it was in gear because it's a 5-speed. Do you understand how close you were to this garage over here?
I can tell that it was...
OG viewers will know that this truck rolled into that garage on its own when it shouldn't have. Just barely bumped into it, and the whole door had to be replaced. And this thing just lurched forward. Oh, it was so close. Like, you would have just completely just blown this whole door out. Alright, quick wipe off of the lip with the microfiber, nice and easy. We'll turn on the slow-mo. We will leave you with some nice slow-mo water shots with some cool music. And then next video, we are showing you how we clear these wheels and tires on this Dodge Ram.